Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unlock the full potential of Google Scholar for the news researchers. So without any further delay, let's start. So Google Scholar is a search engine that allows users to search for academic resources and scholarly literature such as abstract, full text articles, theses, books and many more from different disciplines. So let's move to browser and see how you will. So this is my browser. So search firstly as you are new person. So I'm starting from interface only. So start with typing Google Scholar. Now click on the first link. So this is the Google Scholar which you will assess to uh, which you will use to assess all of your articles. So here it is my profile. By clicking on my profile, you can create your profile, which we'll cover in some other video. And here is the my library option, which you will see in this video in some moment. So let us simply start by searching some keyword only. Like if your topic is in thesis or dissertation topic is like blockchain, so type blockchain and just enter. Just by putting the enter, you will see that all the articles related to blockchain is displayed on this web page. So there are many functionalities which are available in Google Scholar. We will see each of them one by one. So on the left hand side here, you can see that there is a section where you can change the years range. So what I can do over here is, if I want to assess the articles only for the year 2023, that means I want to assess the publication that are published in year 2023. So just click on 2023. You will see all the articles are changed to the year in that is published in 2023. Here, not only the articles, all the books and conference papers, everything is included. Okay, so let's just go back. And the one more thing is, you can see over here is custom range. Like I am doing a systematic study and I want to include the publications within the range of year from 2020 to 2023. I'm doing a systematic study with this. So just by putting the range, you can see all the articles related to this. So these all the articles that you will find, like 2023 article, here it is a 2020 article. So these all the results that you have got over here is within this range. Now next thing which you can see is here is sort by relevance or sort by date. So what the functionality of this is, here the articles are sorted on the basis of blockchain. That means all the articles are sorted related to the relevance of one blockchain. If I'll click on sort by date, then you'll see the articles that are published with it according to the date are mentioned. So here firstly the 2023 articles are there. Next, for example, if I see your ninth web page, then you can some other articles. So it comes within the yearly wise. Okay, let's just move back to the third functionality you have here is of any type or review article. So basically articles may be conference articles or journal articles, review articles, research articles, or systematic study survey article. So any type article includes all this study. But if I want to focus only on the review article, then I may click on review article to explore the particular area further. Okay. The next functionality that you have is of uh, any type and review articles. The next functionality that is you have to you can create a alert. For example, if anything is newly added related to the keyword blockchain in Google Scholar, then I'll be notified with the help of the email. So these are the some of the options with which you can search. So now let us focus on how to save article to your library as we stated in first part. Here is the option of my library. Suppose this particular publication related to my research work and I want to save it for further study. So what I need to do is just click on save. By clicking on save, you'll see it will show options like reading list or create. You may add the article to reading list and then done. So you'll get the article here. Now if you go back and return after 2-3 days, then you may want to reassess the article. Then just click on my library and you can reassess your that article. Okay. Now going back, suppose I am doing some study on different topics like blockchain and artificial intelligence and other things. So I may save article in particular directory also, like if I want to save this particular article in the directory of blockchain. So just write here blockchain and then done. So you created a particular folder with the articles of blockchain. So you may access this particular article, and all articles include the list of all articles, and this particular is the directory for blockchain. Okay. So seeing on this particular page of my library, you may notice that even though I save the articles, I may also save cite articles from here also. This is the next part which we'll see, that how to cite that particular article. But here you may notice that here is the option of citation label. You may change the label of the article, like if I want to put in different list, then I might add it into the reading list or blockchain also, and then click on just done. I may delete it also, like if I want to delete this article, I later find on assessing the full text that this article is not relevant to my research, so just delete it from here. It will be removed from this particular library. Okay. So going back to further explanation, you will notice here that's okay that I have saved the articles, and these are the my library articles saved. But how to read this full article? To read this full article, what you need to do is just PDF option. So this option directly take you to the PDF option of that particular article. So you may access the article from here and read it further for your documentation. You find this article useful and you used it in your particular documentation. So what the next thing that comes into the picture is the citation, that I have used some method or some technique that is presented in this particular article and I want to cite it. So how to cite that particular publication? This is the next major thing that we are going to discuss. So this is the place where you can cite. Just click here that this is cite and click here. Now you go with the different options like MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver. These are the different format of citations. You may use any citation as per your journal or as per the format given to you, or also according to your discipline. So consider for now, like I want to use APA 1, so just click on it and it got selected, and you need to copy and you may paste it anywhere where you in the document where you want to cite your article. This cite dialog box also show options for BibTeX, EndNote, RefMan, RefMux. These are the different reference management tools for which you may add your citations. So this is the thing for citation. Now, another major tip that I want to give you is, like I have studied some article like this particular article. Okay, But I, on further exploration of full text, I felt that this particular article is a quite simple. This particular article is quite example. This is just an assumption, and I want to explore it to further boundaries. So what can I do is just click on cited by this. You'll get a new window in which you'll see that all the articles that cited this particular article are open. Now you may check these articles for further detailed study of your topic. So these are the further articles if I want to a domain. So this all is the major thing with which you may enhance your work. The one thing that we have missed is the different citation, which one to use, which we will cover in the different video. And this is just the overview video of Google Scholar. So I hope this video will be fruitful for you and solves all the basic issues related to the Google Scholar. But still you have any doubt, you may comment or mail directly to. Do like, share and subscribe for more such. Thank you.